everybody. First off, ignore the magenta that is on this canvas. That is alcohol ink. I had an idea for something, and I ran out of the ink and it didn't pan out, so ignore that. What I am doing today is a taped floating cup with blue negative space. Instead of my white, we're using blue. We're using the ARTEZA pouring acrylic colors. I'm shaking up the colors we're using. We're going to use neon purple, mid yellow, and white. Alright, so I'm going to put my gloves on. I've gotten a comment I've done, if you look way back, I did negative space. I did an orange one and a magenta one and a blue one, but it's been years. So we are going to do it again. Bye-bye. Forgot how slow this stuff tilts. Let's see if we've got enough in here. Let's give it a little help. I'm wondering, since it is thicker, if it's going to roll off the sides when I remove the tape, or if I'm going to have to help touch it up. Oh, I'm wondering if the yellow and the purple, if that's a bad combination. Except the ARTEZA colors usually stay, they don't make mud. So that's a tough one. Gosh. Maybe I should just stick with yellow and add forest green. I think I'll do that. We shall do that. Add some green. White. So these are pre-mixed ARTEZA colors. They come 32 to a pack. They're pretty cool. They are a little pricey. And they don't last me very long, but they are really fun to work with. Okay. So usually, I'm looking for a pin. This will work. No. I can't find my normal pins. All right. We just won't. I'm just going to have to manually. There we go. Wasn't much of a float, now was it? So I'm just going to tilt it till I feel like it's a pattern I like. Which definitely means swirling. Gotta get that swirl in there. Isn't that blue pretty? Now let's hope that the color cascades down the side. That is what it is supposed to do. Not just sit there. We want cascading. Oh, we have sitting. I figured the paint was going to be too thick. Try and help it with my fingers first. And since I'm going blue over white, it may dry lighter, and I may need to go over the sides once it's dry with the blue, just to touch it up a bit, which isn't a big deal. But I'm going to continue to tilt because there's a lot of paint on here. And it's stretching out the design and making it look cooler anyways. Ooh, this is so pretty. Just touch up the edges now, maybe. Every time I touch it, it shows the canvas. So I am just going to leave it alone. I'm not torching. I think it turned out really cool. What do you think? I really like it. And I'm really glad I did not go with purple. Purple and the yellow probably would not have turned out as good. Whoop. There we go. I don't know why got such a funky color in there. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.